Hello you guys, I wanted to give you guys just a review of this here Crave iPhone 16 Pro case that I received to review originally 6 months ago, and you'll see the unboxing videos also on my channel. This is the berry colored one. I have had this on my iPhone for the 6 months time. So I wanted to show you guys the condition of it after being used every day. I haven't cleaned it, at least on the inside. You can see all the grit and stuff that would happen to any case, you know, on the inside of that gets trapped between the phone and the case, you know. So that's going to happen, which is common. Case itself has been dropped at least 3 times. Onto concrete and hard surfaces, but it is absolutely perfect. I mean, it's hit these corners and they don't show any damage, and the iPhone is perfect too. This here texture feeling, this rubberized texture, is still holding up well. The only thing that I did notice that of wear, see on these buttons, the volume buttons here, mostly the volume buttons, they probably get hit a lot and rubbed on a lot, but the coating is coming off. That's normally just a black painted coating and it's flaking off. So that's the only type of wear that I found on these cases. So yeah, it's amazing. Really great brand. So definitely check out Crave. I couldn't be happier, really. This isn't getting all, I mean, of course it's a color, berry color, but it's not getting all discolored, or it's not very noticeable when it's a color and not clear or white or anything like that. So yeah, it's looking great, staying together well. So okay, I'm going to post a link to how to get these on my Amazon affiliate link, actually. Let me know if you have any questions about these, and thanks for watching today, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.